Yo, what up you guys? Nathan Ramirez here, and today what we're gonna be doing is an unboxing and a review of the new MacBook Pro 16-inch Max Edition. Oh, there's only one thing left to do, and that's get into it. Here we have the MacBook Pro 16-inch, 32 GB, 64. Here we have the 16-inch MacBook Pro 10C CPU, 32 GPU, 34 GB, 1 TB in gigabyte in US. All the specs we need, and the Pro Edition. So, one thing left to do. Let's bye-bye. I think it just slides out like, oh, I couldn't have slid out any better. Oh, that felt so good. Hopefully I don't drop this bad boy. Hopefully I don't drop it. Oh my, this thing is massive. This thing's massive. It's cold to the touch. They were keeping you hostage back there, huh? This thing's crisp. Woo-wee. You know what? I'm gonna go wash my hands. I'll be right back. Now that I wash my hands, I want to show you guys the size difference. This is my old MacBook Pro 13-inch. This one's 3 inches bigger. Hey, an inch makes a big difference, let me tell you guys. Trying to buzz me down an inch. Ooh, oh my gosh. This thing's freaking tiny compared to this. Look at this. Oh, this thing is so much bigger, and like the thickness is it's double the thickness almost. This is like heavy duty. There's so many parts in here that it needs to be that heavy. When this MacBook is more powerful than your boyfriend's PC, sheesh, time to go upgrade. Sheesh. Off this plastic. Bye-bye. 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 As you can see, we got charging port to Thunderbolt, a headphone jack. Is that a headphone jack? No way. That's sick. We got another, what is this? HDMI port, that's lit. Thunderbolt and an SD card slot. Let's go, baby. SD card slot. SD card slot. You know what it is. SD card slot. Woo! One thing left to do. You guys ready? Oh! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Did you guys hear that? You guys hear that? Oh! Let's go! Let's go! Oh my, this thing looks freaking insane! You got the touchpad right there. Insanely. Oh! Hello! Empezar? Let's empezar. Let's empezar. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Woo! All right, I'm gonna set this bad boy up and I'll hit you guys up in a bit. I say slide on my back, what it say? She ain't